my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What's he doing? Oh, this is actually scary. This is actually scary. Okay. Oh my god. You skipped that. Oh my god. Why so angry? Oh my goodness. Yo! Yo! Oh my god, the mohawk. I don't know. Oh my goodness. 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 This one is actually cute. That's actually, these sounds are real embarrassing. So this is bird show called Create Awareness in Natural Birds. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh yes, the Create Awareness team in birds. It's really beautiful. Nothing's bad. What did I say? I think it's brilliant, but it's okay. It was fun. Nothing bad at all. I think owls can eat uh, rat, freaking rats. They can eat rats, or I don't know, bugs. They can eat bugs or seeds, some stuff. Anything. Well, just let me know in the comments. Though, if owls can eat bugs or rats or seeds, whatever. I've seen some random information. So I have to end this video. What do you guys think? Just let me comment down below and thumbs up. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Peace. I'm just gonna pull it out. It can seem normal. Yes. Yes, it is. It looks normal. Actually, better than normal. Fish eye. Oh fuck. Ballsack. Fuck.